Congratulations! You have received your PGC Compost green cart and are now ready to compost every meal, every scrap, every Monday. Upon receiving your cart, please be sure to open and retrieve your countertop kitchen pail. Located inside is your welcome packet filled with important information regarding the PGC Compost program. Inside, you will receive a 3 easy steps flyer outlining the composting procedures, information about using compostable bags if you choose to, a frequently asked question sheet answering any additional questions you may have regarding the composting program, and a What Can I Compost magnet. This magnet serves as a handy reminder of acceptable items that can be placed in your compost bin. After you have placed all of your food scraps in the wheeled green cart, remember to place it curbside on Mondays only by 6 a.m. for pickup. Do not place your mini kitchen pail at the curb. For more information on Prince George's County Curbside Composting, visit mypgc.us/compost.